for stepping inside the LifePod Storm Shelter. Safety, it matters. Do you have a safe place to go if a tornado or violent storm suddenly hones in on you and your family? Right now, you're standing in the most technologically advanced underground storm shelter available to you. Our engineers have created nationally recognized marine vessels. Quality, we build it. We take pride in our yacht quality materials and craftsmanship so that you feel confident in making a wise investment to protect your most valuable asset, your family. Your family will be the safest underground during the sudden onset of tragic weather. LifePods are buried underground and properly anchored based on engineering specs that keep them secure. LifePod shelters are permanently installed by certified professionals, or we will provide instructional videos to help you install your own pod. LifePod Shelters is a member of the American Tornado Shelter Association. As you look around, notice how the steps have a normal rise and run? This makes them very accessible for those hurried moments when swift entry is of utmost importance to you. Under the door is a motion LED light. There are plenty of push-button LED lights molded into the ceiling for ample lighting, which are battery-operated. At LifePod Premium Shelters, we understand that part of being prepared means having the proper emergency supplies. The bench seating was designed to adequately store several 5-gallon buckets underneath the bench. Durability, it lasts. Durability is our priority. We have that covered so you and your family can feel safe in those moments of concern. It's critical to remember preparation is key. Violent storms are unpredictable. The best time to prepare for such a storm is now.